How's everybody doing today? Got something a little bit different. I picked this up right after Christmas, and it's really bad outside, so I figured might as well start messing with this. This was $60, but I got it on an after Christmas special for 30 bucks. And it's made by a Nikko radio control. Not much room on the table here. 800 pieces, 3 motors, includes a screwdriver, a radio. This is supposed to be an actual working excavator when you get it built. It has a remote control driving and digging action, drives forward and reverse, motorized boom arm and bucket, range up to 8 meters, 25 feet. Now this is a fairly large box. I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera here and there was a second box inside. It slides out, it has all the pieces in it, so we can take a look at those. But it's supposed to go by this. It says smart lock technology. It looks like almost like an anchor. It fits through a hole and you put a screw through it. Well, I get that set up. Hang on a moment. Alright, here's what comes inside the box. Got your instruction manual. Seems to be a fairly thick manual. I imagine there's quite a few steps to the assembly of this beast. Take a quick look, kind of see what they're going with. About like your basic Lego Technic style assembly. I don't know how much of this build I'm going to do on camera. I'll do a little bit and see how it goes. If it's going to take forever, I'll build a lot of it off camera. This looks like this must be... That's for the cable control. Sorry about the glares here. Everything's kind of reflecting off this stuff. That's the drive motor. And the amount of, look at all those, that is a lot of screws. A lot of anchors. We got quite a few gears in there too. They do give you a screwdriver. Like a hex head type deal. That's the radio. Out and have a look at it. I don't want to dump the bags out because I imagine there's probably an order. Takes a couple double A's. The boom up and down. That must be your forward, backward, and your digging. Now this screwdriver is made out of plastic. There's quite a few pieces to this. I'm going to go ahead and set up and start putting some of it together. I got the shocks for the boom arms. Oh yeah, those are actual. Get those out real quick. Spring loaded. Well, alright, I'm going to set up and start building some of this. Thanks for watching.